What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overspray. Now today, if my clothes looks a little familiar, that's because today is the same day I actually painted the Civic grille. It's just we're gonna start on another project. Now today we have a Dodge Charger. I'm not sure what year, I think it's a 2015 or something like that. But anyways, we have the front bumper that we are going to be painting, but we obviously have to prep this bumper first before we can actually paint. This bumper already comes primed, so basically all we got to do is scuff, adhesion promoter, prime it, and then paint it. Alrighty, so I didn't really record the first coat of primer, but this is basically what I'm doing. And got a little dimples here and there. So in between coats, I like to fix any imperfections. I don't know if you guys could see this. Right here, you got a little imperfection. It looks like a hair or something like that. So I'll just go really quickly with the sandpaper, sand it down, and it's gone. Now I basically just go around and do that to basically the entire bumper. You got another imperfection here. It looks like maybe part of the plastic or something like that. So I go ahead and try to fix that as well. Just any little minor imperfections that I could find on the bumper, I'll go ahead and fix before I shoot another coat of either primer, or if I'm gonna go shoot base on this thing, I'll also fix it before I go and shoot base. So that way I could get the best result possible out of a garage paint job with the minimal trash, minimal dimples, and that way, you know, it could be just as good as if a body shop did it. So anyway, I'm just gonna go around and take care of those little spots around the primer, or around the bumper with the primer. And yeah, I'm sanding with 600 grit sandpaper. You could do anything over 600, like 800, 1000 grit, 1500 grit, whatever you want. But obviously I'm gonna go ahead and shoot another coat of primer anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's 600 is just what I got at the moment, so that's what I use. Anyways, let's go ahead and cut you guys back into the video. Alrighty guys, so I ran into a little snag. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got a little bit of muddling here on these corners. Basically because, you know, it's kind of a aggressive angle. And not only that, I had the gun a little bit too heavy. So I was trying to get into those tight nooks on this bumper, and I ended up getting some muddling right here. And this is actually after I fixed it, because it was actually pretty bad. Let me rotate this real quick so you guys can see a little bit better. Let me get it to focus a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see that, but you got a little bit of muddling right here. And I did try to fix this as best as I could. What I did was I grabbed some 800 scuff pads right here as well. I grabbed a little bit of a 800 scuff pad, and I kind of just scuffed it up a little bit. It's not perfect, but way better than what it was before, because it was pretty heavy muddling right here. But yeah, other than that, freak, man, this thing came out good. I do struggle with silvers. I think somebody else commented in one of my posts as well that he struggles with silvers. I struggle with silvers as well. I was getting some muddling here on the sides as well, but I ended up fixing that too, and then did a control coat, and that completely eliminated the muddling on the corners there. I'm still gonna try to fix this last corner right here. I don't like how it looks, and also this side as well. I'm gonna try to fix that. Gonna give it one more try, see if I can fix the muddle there, but if not, then you know what, I'm gonna try to you know, I'm kind of in a hurry to fix this bumper, so hopefully it doesn't come out too bad, and we could fix that muddling for her, and that way I know it's something that she probably won't notice, but it's something that I myself notice, and I'm kind of particular about this kind of stuff, so I'm gonna try to fix it as best as I can, and then we're gonna go ahead and shoot some clear. Hopefully I can get this fixed, and I'll cut you back when it is. Alrighty guys, so what is going on? So tonight is basically the next night. As you guys can tell right here, we don't have a bumper on the rack anymore. So I actually went to install this bumper tonight, and we're gonna show you what it actually ended up looking like. Actually came out really good. The customer is extremely happy that, you know, now she has a good looking car now. It's not all crashed and all beat up and stuff. So let's let me go grab a light real quick, and then we'll walk over there and show you what the car ended up looking like. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what that Charger ended up looking like. And I did go ahead and install some new headlights as well. So brand new headlights, but check out that silver, guys. It's almost dead nuts on the color match. It might be a shade darker, but it looks freaking awesome and came out spectacular, man. I mean, I was gonna do a video on me installing the whole bumper, but I decided not to because obviously the video would have been way too long, and yeah, I didn't want to bore you guys to death. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, this car had been previously crashed and previously painted once before. Not sure if you guys can notice, but you could see that the fender is kind of like dented. I don't know if you guys could catch that, but basically right here is yeah, it doesn't really line up because I told her, hey, you're gonna need new fenders, but she just didn't have the money to spend on that. So we you can see the other side as well, pretty damaged right there. You can see the light sticking out. You can see that, but you know what, compared to what it actually ended up looking like, or what it looked like before, this job came out freaking awesome, guys. And she's super happy. I'm pretty happy with the results. Like I said, I was gonna record a video of me installing this bumper, but I decided not to, just because for one, this is like a very tedious bumper. It took me a while to get this thing situated, and not only that, the radiator core support was all cracked because on these cars it's all plastic, and since it had been in an accident on that corner on the left side, the bracket was just all mangled, and I tried to fix it as best I could, but there wasn't too much I could do, so it ended up complicating the job a little bit more than what it should have. But at the same time, the car came out really good. Like I said, the color match is like almost dead nuts onto this thing. And let's go ahead and look at those silvers. I have my Eastwood paint match light. You can see it might be like maybe a shade darker. Might be because of the clear coat, it might have darkened it up a little bit, but you can see the way those silvers flop. It's pretty much identical to the factory way that the metallics lay down. So maybe you guys could take a better look right here. You can see that it looks pretty good. And yeah, so customer is happy, and she's got pretty much a new car again. Alrighty, so anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I am done. I'm super tired. I just pulled like a 15-hour day today, so yeah, it's time for me to take a break, and yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Stay spraying, guys, and catch you guys later. Bye.